Good evening, sir. This is the blood.
What?
I am here to suck up your dirt.
How about now?
Don't have to be so harsh.
Wait.
Good evening.
Jeez, you're early. Hey, honey, we got any candy?
No, I'm here to sell you back.
Back up.
Let me come in.
No, back up.
Look at the board, loser. Oh, Wolfman. Great one, yeah. Losers.
Hey! Boss wants to talk to you. Get in there.
Thank you, Frank.
Wolfman is the man. Oh!
Hello, Mr. Measley. You wanted to see me.
Sit your ass down! Let me call you back.
You wanted to see me, Mr. Measley.
Dracula, what the hell's going on out there? What's your excuse, Vacuula?
My bride won't even look at me anymore. I come into the office and Frankenstein teases me. Wolfman, that jerk off.
It's just gets me every time. What were you saying? It doesn't matter what you were saying. Why don't you quit sucking? You suck. I'm sorry. That gets me every time.
Great one, Mr. Measley. I've never heard that one before in my lifetime yet.
All jokes aside, you get out there, Vacuula. You start selling those damn back leads. That's the Vacuula we need. Yeah. Now, give me some of that claw. Give me some of that claw. Come on. I need you to bring it home, Vacuula. Come on, bring it home. All right, Vacuula, bring it home.
I can't wait to suck your blood.
What's that?
Nothing. I can't wait to give you a punch in the nose.
Holy.
Frankenstein 6. Hold on.
We need. Yeah. Are you recording?
Thank you, Frank. I wonder what could it be?
Vacuum's Vacuula.
Alright,
What?
I will try.
Dracula and his son. The scene was rocking, all were digging the sounds. Igor on chains, backed by his baying hounds. The coffin